Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make your account private as possible. Alright, and for this tap on menu right in the bottom and then tap on the wheel right in the top. And from here we go to preferences and tap then on reaction preferences and make sure that you turn these settings on. Then we go back and then we scroll down to audience and visibility, and from here tap on how people can find and contact you. From every single setting that I will show you, I prefer to choose only me, but when that is not possible, please do friends or friends of friends. So we have friends of friends just right here, and we have only me just right here, so this is awesome. Then go back, tap on post and make sure that who can see your future posts is on only me. Then we go back and then we tap on stories and then tap on story privacy and make sure that this is friends. Then we go back, sharing options, and make sure that everything is on don't allow. Now we go back, story archive, this is not necessary, this is just for yourselves. And stories you have muted, yeah, that's not necessary for now. Then we go back again. Then tap on followers and public content and make sure that every single setting is on friends or only me. So if you can see, I have everything on only me or friends, and that is awesome. That is what we want. Then if we go back and tap on profile and tagging, make sure that everything just right here is on only me or friends. Now if we go back and tap on active status, make sure that your active status is turned off. So now they can see your active status, and now it got turned off. Alright, and after this we did everything that makes our account as private as possible. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe or give this video a like, or maybe both. And then for now, thanks for watching.